Welcome to eOffice, a digital workplace, your gateway to various applications that are digitalizing the administrative business functions of the organizations, fostering collaboration, transparency, efficiency, and accountability in the working environment. Let us discover how eOffice is transforming your workplace experience with its key features and functionalities. First up, the dashboard. Users are greeted by an intuitive dashboard, which is a customizable interface consisting of various portlets displaying relevant information, such as the notice board, unread files and receipts, photo gallery, notes, assigned tasks, to-do lists, and more. Notice board displays important announcements, circulars, and updates, making users stay informed about policy changes, events, and organizational news, which are fetched from KMS or Knowledge Management System module. eFile or File Management System portlet displays list of all unread or unopened files and receipts available in respective inboxes of the eFile application. Clicking on any file or receipt will redirect the user to the appropriate eFile module inbox. Photo Gallery keeps users updated about the latest happenings in the organization. Notes displays all the notes saved by the user. This overlay panel on the right provides various means to search and connect with employees within the organization. Teams allows users to see the availability status of other users within the organization, assign tasks which can be further tracked and updated, and connect with them through SMS, mail, and video meeting. Directory helps users to effortlessly search and connect with other users within the organization by accessing their information like contact details, designation, department, etc. Also, there are other search options in addition to basic search, such as browse by index and advanced search. Events enables users to wish each other on their birthdays, superannuation, or joining anniversaries, fostering a sense of community within the organization. Through contacts, users can add their contacts whom they want to correspond with and also club them together by creating groups as well for quickly connecting with multiple users. Now, moving to the top, here is Translation Service link that redirects to Kanthasth service developed by Department of Official Language and CDAC for translating text from English to Hindi and vice versa. This language link helps users change the language of the labels on the portal page. By clicking on the profile name, one can get options to change their availability status, view login timeline, access admin panel, which is role-based, register or deregister for OTP login, and finally log out from eOffice portal. This bell icon displays all the alerts coming from various eOffice applications on the portal like Teams, KMS, etc., ensuring users stay updated on important notifications. Moving to the left, this is Navigation panel that grants access to essential applications like eFile or File Management System. It's a workflow-based efficient electronic system covering all aspects of manual file processing. KMS or Knowledge Management System, it's a central repository of documents in an organization. PIMS, or Personal Information Management System, it plays a crucial role in maintaining employee records and facilitating efficient workflows. MDM, or Master Data Management, it helps in managing master data of eFile application. MIS, or Management Information System, it plays a crucial role in monitoring and tracking progress of eFile application by generating various reports. Also, there are links to create a to-do list, assign tasks, create notes, download forms, and access other applications of the department linked to eOffice. Last but not the least, this is a multilingual virtual assistant by NIC called Vani. This will assist you whenever you need a help. Just ask Vani.